They're gonna come down the hill, almost at the speed of light. I'm gonna be recording them while they go down that hill. When they go down that hill, it'll be like there's no tomorrow. Let's go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action! Here comes LJ! Here comes LJ! Here he comes! He's going! Going! They're rolling down! They're rolling down!
Oh yeah!
There they go! This is gonna be the greatest video ever! They're still going. Good, good! OJ just lost his wheels. OJ, what happened to your wheels?
Oh God!
Are you okay?
Oh, my balls!
No, your balls hurt.
Where'd my tire go?
Dude.
Oh, where's my tire?
Dude, you just chipped a piece of your car off.
Where's my tire? Oh.
Oh, you just got a steering wheel to the nutsack.
Oh.
You just got a steering wheel to the sack.
Oh, my pick.
Okay, I'm deep in the woods. There's the wheel.
My other one's way down there. Oh, oh, my butt! Get it off of me. I said it's way down there, freaking way down. It's under, it's pulling my pants down. Oh, God.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Way down. Way down. It went all the way down the hill.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, all the way down the hill. You stop recording? Oh, my balls.
LJ hurt his balls. Yo, Chris. Did you see LJ's tire? He just got his bolts to a steering wheel. His bolts lost to a steering wheel. How does that happen? How? How does that freaking happen? How does... Oh, okay. Got a little carried away. Recording?